Cleaning and maintaining your car's sunroof is essential for ensuring it works properly and lasts a long time. A well-maintained sunroof not only looks great, but also helps to prevent leaks and other problems. Here's a simple guide to help you clean and maintain your sunroof. First, to clean the tracks of your sunroof, start by closing the sunroof to expose the tracks. This gives you better access to the areas that need cleaning. Next, use a soft bristle brush, like a toothbrush, or compressed air to gently remove any dirt, leaves, or other debris that may have accumulated in the tracks. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the delicate tracks. Once the larger debris is cleared, use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the tracks, ensuring that all remaining dirt and dust are removed. This helps maintain smooth movement for the sunroof and prevents any potential blockages that could affect its operation. To lubricate the tracks of your sunroof, start by selecting a Super Lube synthetic multi-purpose grease, as these are safe for use on the tracks and mechanisms without causing damage. Lightly apply the lubricant to the tracks, ensuring a thin and even coating. Be cautious not to over-apply, as excess lubricant can attract dust and debris, which could hinder the sunroof's movement. After applying the lubricant, open and close the sunroof a few times to help spread the lubricant evenly across the tracks. This will ensure smooth operation, reduce friction, and help prevent squeaking or stiffness when using the sunroof. Regular lubrication is essential for maintaining its functionality and longevity. To check for leaks in your sunroof, begin by inspecting the rubber seals around the edges of the sunroof. These seals are essential for preventing water from entering the car, so look for any signs of cracks, wear, or damage. Once you've checked the seals, perform a water test by spraying water over the sunroof while it's closed. This will allow you to observe whether the seals are holding up properly and preventing water from seeping in. To check the drainage system of your sunroof, begin by locating the drainage holes, which are typically found at the corners of the sunroof to direct water away from the car. It's essential to ensure these holes are clear of debris, as blockages can lead to water pooling and potential leaks. Use compressed air or a flexible wire to gently clear any dirt or debris from the drainage tubes, ensuring that water can flow freely through them. Once you have cleared the drainage system, pour a small amount of water near the drainage holes to test if the water drains properly. If the water flows smoothly, it indicates the drainage system is functioning correctly, preventing water buildup and potential interior damage. Regular checks will help maintain the efficiency of the drainage system and protect your car from water-related problems. By following this guide, you can keep your sunroof in excellent condition, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air with ease and confidence.